Ouch, my leg!
Sorry. Please stay here while I get the first aid box.
Do you know the contents of the first aid box and how they are used? To start with, what is first aid?
First aid is the first treatment given to an injured person before a doctor comes or before he or she is taken to the hospital for proper treatment. Knowing that an accident is an unexpected event with negative occurrence, it's wise to keep some items close by in what is called a first aid box. These items are gloves. To prevent cross-contamination in a first aid situation, gloves should be worn and disposed of immediately. Thermometer. This is used to measure the body temperature of a person. Methylated spirit. This liquid is used for cleaning wound surfaces while killing bacteria and germs instantly, thereby preventing infection in sores. Cotton wool. So as not to pour the methylated spirit directly, cotton wool is soaked in spirit and used in cleaning the wound and its surroundings. Tweezers. If there are debris like glass or dirt in the wound, tweezers would be used to remove them. Iodine. This is a spectrum antiseptic applied to minor cuts, burns, or blisters. Gauze. Gauze is used to stop bleeding. It treats small to medium cuts, burns, scrapes, and other wounds, whilst also protecting them from debris and infection. Scissors. This is needed to cut gauze and adhesive bandages to an appropriate length. It is also used for cutting clothing to expose injured areas for better treatment. Bandages. This holds things like dressing or splinters in place for better support. CPR Pocket Mask. This mask safely delivers rescue breaths during cardiac or respiratory arrest.
Thank you. Now I know about first aid, the contents of the first aid box, and how they are used.
I am glad to have been of help. We can search MEC Solutions tutorials on YouTube for some forms of first aid.